So you might be in a situation where for some reason Apple Music is giving you this type of pop-up where it's telling you that it cannot connect. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Number one, the main reason why something like this could end up happening is usually because there might be some type of server outage or some type of problem going on inside of Apple Music. So the first thing I'd recommend doing in this case is to go through and basically just double check if their servers are down. You can go to a website like downdetector.com or is it downrightnow.com, one of these types of websites that tells you basically what services are up and down, and you can just kind of scroll through and see if it's down. If Apple or Apple Music or any of those related servers are down, then you're basically just going to have to wait it out until they end up fixing the problem. That's basically the number one easiest way to fix that particular issue. If that still doesn't work, you can try going through and just try closing out of Apple Music completely, opening up Apple Music again, and seeing if that ends up fixing the problem. Sometimes there can also be some issues where there are some, cellular connection issues, data connection issues. Just make sure that you're connected to a good cell connection or a Wi-Fi connection, and that can also end up fixing the problem for a lot of people as well. That's another issue that some people might end up running into as well. If that's still not working, you might have to update your device that you're on. If it's an iPhone or an iPad or something, make your way over to your settings here, go into General, go into Software Update, and try software updating your phone, and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem. So those are kind of the main ways to go and fix it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.